Aslamualeikum Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Afrina Aliya, and in today's video I'm going to share with you some different types of hijab style. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So this is the first hijab styles. So this is the next one.
And this is the third one. This is the another hijab style, which is number 4. You have to do just like this. Personally, I love this hijab style, which is number 5. This is the last one, and this is too easy and simple hijab style. You can keep it on all the time.
And guys, that's for it. And which is your favorite style? Let me know in the comment section. And if you like the video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please guys, suggest me more new content for this video. Bye bye, and we will meet another useful and helpful video.